As always, thank you for your honesty.
You look glorious, as always.
You're right, as always. Let's just not talk about it, okay?
But I will stand by your decision, as always.
Just working out with Bill 5 times a week, same as always.
As always, ladies first.
Well, this is an exciting new look.
That's a little tight in the crotch, as always.
Fine work, as always. Well done.
Thank you.
Documents, please.
With pleasure, as always.
Perfect timing.
As always.
The question is, as always, what would Jesus do?
You're looking lovely as always.
Thanks, Howard.
What are your plans for Thanksgiving?
Same as always, cook by myself for 4 hours, clean by myself for 3 hours, eat with my family for 8 minutes.
How could I forget, Miss Swan?
Will, how many times must I ask you to call me Elizabeth?
At least once more, Miss Swan. As always.
Caesar shall do all that Rome requires.
My lady, as always, your lightest touch commands obedience.
I will bring us through this. As always, I will carry you, kicking and screaming, and in the end, you will thank me.
I'm the best.
As always, sir, a great pleasure watching you work.